As far as the unboxing goes on it, this is basically just how you're going to see it, with bubble wrap and rubber bands. Now the surge protector, find that 2 green lights, one on each side, that means it's going to be good. You've got a good connection. If you only have 1 green light on the left, reverse polarity. If it's all 3 are out, then it's open hot. You've got a hot ground reverse. And last but not least, if you've got pin, plug this into just your regular 30 amp, or else you can even plug it into an adapter. You connect your surge protector to your plug first. Close the cover and you're good to go. One of the things